Hey everyone, how's it going? I am heading to get my Tesla Model X protected with some wrap for the front end as well as tint for the front two windows. We will be doing a wrap very similar to what we did with the Model 3. The Model 3 had a partial wrap clear bra for the front end and it has held up very well. We hit a lot of rocks, little rocks on road trips, and it has preserved itself and self-heal. So we will be going with Xpel this time around because it is a thicker film and we will be taking the Model X on a lot of road trip. In addition, we expect Xpel to hold up even better than Suntek with the thicker film and self-healing capabilities as well. We will be doing a signature wrap to wrap the edges because the Model X has exposed edges for the front, unlike the Model 3. And here we are at UltimateShield, and UltimateShield is located at 817 West Collins Avenue in Orange, California. They are well known here in Orange County. They work on a lot of exotic cars. Their workmanship and quality is second to none. So any protection you can think of, they can apply to your vehicle, from ceramic coating to a clear bra to a full car wrap, then ceramic coating. They can do it for you. Paint correction, and they also provide protection from the sun with their tint work. They can tint any Tesla. They carry a variety of brands, well-known brands in the industry, such as Opti-Coat for ceramic coating, Suntek for any wrap or tint work, 3M for any wrap and tint work, as well as Xpel. Any other brands, you can talk to the owner, Sean, and he may be able to order that for you. They work on classic cars to classic exotic cars. Here's a 20-year-old Ferrari that looks like it just came out of the factory with other exotic cars. Here's a McLaren, as well as sport bikes. This sport bike, the Ducati here, got a full wrap with Xpel and ceramic coating. There's a 01. Every car that they touch looks like it just came out of factory, or even better, especially Tesla. They work on tons of Tesla, such as Model 3, and this Model 3 got a full wrap with ceramic coating, now getting some tint work. So let's see what they did with our Model X. So here's the Model X, fully wrapped in the front with the clear bra from Xpel. Even the headlights are wrapped. And even close up, you can't even tell there's a wrap on this Model X. With the signature wrap, edge to edge, all corner tucked in, is really the way to go. The only way you can tell if it's wrapped, if you have the front open and you actually look closely. So we did get the front windows tint as well with 18% Suntek to match the factory tint in the back. So again, here's in full daylight supercharger. With this tint, it matches the factory tint, which I really like the look of that instead of the contrast. So as you can see, just a few hours of driving, we have bugs. If you don't clean this off right away, and those are acidic bugs, they will damage your clear coat if you didn't have the film. So since I have the film on, I don't have to worry about it, and I will just clean it off at the next car wash. Again, this is self-healing film, so any dings, scratches, store marks that we put on here will self-heal in heat. So with the edge-to-edge wrap, especially the front here, we don't have to worry about seeing any seam. The only seam we see if you open up the front, but they did tuck this in and cut this where the wedge is, where they weld it in, so it looks really clean. And we're really satisfied with UltimateShield work. The best part about having a film on your front, you can close it without worrying about scratching it. If you don't already know, if you're having dust on the front or on your hands when you're closing your front, you will get scratches on those parts of the front. And I want to emphasize again, a great film is only as great as its installer. Same thing with the tint. So we are very satisfied with the aftermath here and how the install went. So here's a pan out image of how it looks like with the tint and the film. I did notice this X behind me waiting to supercharge. It has a big decal of the X in the back. Not sure why a Tesla owner would do that. So if you're watching, it doesn't look good, but that's just my opinion. So there's you guys have it. If you're interested in getting some protection for your Tesla, definitely check out UltimateShield. They have a nice waiting area. The owner is very professional. Give him a call if you're interested to get more details. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. See you guys next time.